When keyword research is done right, they simplify and streamline your workflow. They make it easier to find the right keywords to target and give you the necessary data you need to actually rank for them. There are tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Moz that do complete SEO analysis on your site, like checking for everything from site speed to domain authority. However, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm about to present you 7 free, easy-to-use tools that any marketer can use to quickly understand their target keywords to rank for it. So if you're ready, let's dive in. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. If this is your first time watching my videos, this is a channel dedicated to help WordPress business owners to become even more successful. Kindly consider liking this video and to subscribe if this adds value to you so we can all learn together. To find the best of the best tools for you to use, I search primarily at some factors such as data included, data sources, keyword optimization guidance, and free plan allowance and upgrades. My number one is Keyword Explorer from the Moz platform. With this free Keyword Explorer tool, you can search any keyword you choose and see its monthly volume, difficulty, and organic click-through rate. You need to create an account first to get 10 free queries per month. Afterwards, the way it works is a very straightforward process. You enter a URL or a keyword to discover the best keywords to target, and then you get a comprehensive keyword analysis, suggestions, and more right on your inbox. As for the pricing, keyword research features are available for free for up to 10 queries per month, with up to 1,000 keyword suggestions and SERP analysis. If you need more advanced functionalities and capabilities, Moz Pro plan starts at $99 per month. At the moment, they are running a 30% limited time offer until the end of January 2023. My number 2 tool is Mangles. This is an excellent SEO tool. It offers several features from keyword research to competitor domain analysis. It works only as a paid subscription model, reasonably inexpensive. They offer a free 10-day trial so you can test it for yourself. Their starter package starts at $49 a month when you pay upfront annually and includes all your needs. The premium package costs $69 monthly with unlimited keyword suggestions and competitor keywords. Finally, they have the agency package. It costs $89 per month, offering more smart seats and fewer restrictions. As to capabilities, the user interface is intuitive, easy to navigate, and suitable for both experts and inexperienced people. They also provide free tool guides and other learning materials on their website for those who are just starting out with keyword research. They also offer 2 completely free SEO browser extensions you can download for Firefox or for Chrome in case you are a user. Number 3 is QuestionDB. As the name suggests, you type a keyword or as a broader topic, and then it brings up a list of related questions people ask online. What's really unique about this tool is the sourcing. While several tools show you question-based keywords pulled from Google or Bing, QuestionDB displays questions from across the web, including sites like Reddit, Quora, and Stack Exchange. It's a really goldmine of questions. As for the pricing, it's free for up to 50 results per page. Pro plan includes complete results for up to 500 searches. Agencies will only pay $50 a month. Jaxi keyword research tool is my next one, and is pretty straightforward. You just type in a keyword, a topic, or a URL. The tool will give you a list of related and suggested keywords along with basic status on each. They help you find affiliate programs to join and feature on your site. If you switch over to the affiliate program and enter your keyword, you will get a list of affiliate programs sourced from Linkshare, ClickBank, and others. Paid plans offer a reasonably affordable starting point for those who are monetizing the website through affiliate marketing. The first 30 searches are free on the Limit Starter plan. Paid plan starts at $49 a month. SpyFuzz offers a solution with a range of functionality that can help you with keyword research. Their primary focus is discovering new keywords opportunities by spying on competitive domains. They provide insights into your competitors' PPC keywords and keywords that rank organically. SpyFuzz has many free functionalities on the website if you are just starting out. As you scale, you can sign up for a paid subscription package to get more extensive insights. You can test SpyFuzz functionalities for free on their website. You just need to enter your domain URL or the keyword you are targeting in the search bar. The user interface is intuitive and straightforward. However, it requires some knowledge of content marketing and advertising to fully understand the marketing language. As to pricing, it starts out at $60 a month for the basic package. The basic package includes a limited number of search results, domain overviews, and historical data periods. For larger results, the professional package of $36 a month, it provides the API access and all features without any limits. My next one is Ahrefs Keyword Generator. This is one of the most well-known keyword research tools on the market. Using their Ahrefs Keyword Generator, you can research target keywords. You enter your keyword, your location, and it's sourced from Google and Bing, YouTube, and Amazon databases. You enter up to 10 words or phrases and choose from one of 6 keywords idea reports. I enter WordPress, websites, and let's see where this keyword takes us. Alright, we are presented with these powerful results. You can also get keyword difficulty ranking volume, being volume the total number of searches made for this specific keyword. These sentences represent some long trail keywords to help you find the right keywords for your content in your niche. Regarding pricing, Ahrefs offers a standard package that starts $89 per month. With this package includes functionalities for smaller teams or companies. There are more packages, being the price higher. The last one is this free Chrome extension to do keyword research without leaving the search engine results page. It is from Surfer SEO company, and it offers a limited version of the platform for free. Once you download the Chrome extension and enable, you search for your keyword the same way you would do a normal Google search. You will get an estimated search volume and CPC data populated in the search bar as you type. Also, you can click to generate an article outline using the free AI article outline generator. You will find the keywords you should include in your content. Additionally, you can even share the outline with a simple link. Regarding the pricing, the Chrome extension and free AI article outline generated are free. Paid plans of the full Surfer SEO suite starts at $49 a month for the full content editor with 10 articles per month. SERP Analyzer. Okay, this concludes the video. Deciding on the right keyword research tools depends on your own requirements and budget. Tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush can get quite expensive. Hopefully, there are plenty of great alternatives that are cheaper and still offer great and effective functionalities like these ones I presented to you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe, share or comment. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Bye!